Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an HP laptop. This is an HP 15-FC0093DX model. This comes with a Ryzen 5 7000 series built-in APU. The model on this one can be found on the BIOS or on the bottom of the case. On the bottom side is a laptop 15-FC0093DX. And in this video, I'm going to take you on a step-by-step showing you guys the inside of the laptop and the reason why you cannot upgrade the RAM on here. Most people keep asking me why I cannot upgrade the RAM. It shows 2 out of 2 slot in a task manager, stuff like that. This comes with a 16 gig and the RAM is not upgradable. But if you want to see why it's not upgradable, I'll open it up. I'll show you guys why not is upgradable and where are those RAMs. All right. To open it up, I'll grab my screwdriver set. I'll be using iFixit screwdriver set. From this tool set, I'll use a Phillips number 1. For the opening tool, I'll be using a metallic guitar pick right here. We're going to remove the bottom screws. 2 back screws are the thicker and longer screws. The one in the front are the shorter one. Also, if you guys like my videos, if you find my videos helpful and helping you guys out, you can support the channel by clicking that like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. All right, so down here, we're going to remove the cover. We're going to start from the back corner. We're going to stick it right in there, and we're going to twist it. Once we have the back side out, we're going to do the side. We're going to go to the front end. You want to hear those big click sound, that big, huge click sound. That's what you want to hear. So there we go. There's a few clips in there. Every 1 inch, every half an inch, you want to do this. There's a clips in the middle that holds it from the battery. You want to grab it from the side, yank it up slowly. And there's the bottom cover. And right here, we can see the inside of the laptop. As you can see, this is a Wi-Fi board, a storage, battery, CPU, and there's no RAM in here. The RAM look like this. In this case, we have a 2 RAM chip right soldered on the board. There's another 2 RAM chip like this soldered on the other side of the board. And you can see there's no space to put any RAM DIMM on the other side. So the RAMs on this model, they come soldered on the board. If you want to increase the RAMs in here, to a repair shop and ask them to reball a new RAM chip module on the board. And that's really costly. And if the repair shop is not really good, doesn't have enough experience, it can damage the CPU as they are really close to the CPU. And that's it. So let's go put it back together. Again, if you guys have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in the video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Just gonna put the back plate back on, push down the side, the back, the corners, and if you see any gap opening, just want to pinch them together and go to the side and put the bottom screws over. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Just gonna finish up putting up the bottom screws.